If you didn't practice, I don't know what to say. But everybody get ready to call in. Go to your Kahoot. And when I open it, we're going to do Igbo pronouns today. When I open it, when I open the Kahoot, you see the button, which is the code that you need, okay? So I'm going to be monitoring it. So we're going to start it. It's loading up and everybody get ready. Let's do a team mode first. We're gonna do a team before we do individuals, okay? All right, the team mode is what we're gonna do. You know what, let's do individual, we're not doing team. Get ready? Okay, did you see the code? Everybody put the code in, 573-8283. Only one person or 4 people, okay? Keep coming in, keep coming in. I'll give you time to call in. Good, everybody's calling in. Everybody, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Thirty more seconds, we start. Okay. We're going to start soon. You all need to do fast. Some of you have not even started. Okay. 10 more seconds. If you didn't get in this time, you wait until we start the next level. Okay. We're about to start. Awesome. Let's see who's going to be the winner. I can't wait. Mhm. Awesome. Hmm? Huh? Come on. Come down to something. They're taking data. Come on, now you need to. You know, like 4 years I didn't. Yeah. Come, Junior, shut up. I'm doing. Chinedum. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, you see our winners here. The first place, Chima and Obi. Chima and Obi, make sure nobody is telling you how to do that. Okay? The second person, Chinedum. The third person, Chede. Okay, we're gonna do it again. I want you to make sure nobody is helping you there. You have to do it yourself. Please. We're going to play again. If you didn't get to join before, make sure you join now. So we're going to play it again. If you didn't get a chance before, this is your turn. This is your time to get in. All right. Let's try team mode and see if it's gonna work. You see the team mode here. Put on your pin. Get in the team. We're doing a team mode. We have fire, ocean, and sunshine. Fire, ocean, and sunshine. Everybody come on in, get in. Thirty more seconds. I'm waiting for 3 more people to get in. But if they're not getting in, we need to start. So Team Fire, Team Ocean, and Team Sunshine. Let's see who's gonna win. Ready, go. No parent should help you. Do it yourself. I need to know what you have already acquired, what you know already. Oh, Team Fire is leading. Yeah, Team Sunshine is leading now. Let's see who is leading. Sunshine is still leading. Let's see who is leading now. Oh, come on, other teams. I need you guys to take a lead too. Come on, what are you all waiting for? Team Sunshine is still leading. The other team, you need to buckle up. Come on. Overtake Team Sunshine. Oh man, Team Sunshine is still leading. What's going on, other teams? Come on, I know you can do better than this. All right. Team Sunshine is still leading. I don't know what's going on here. Team Sunshine is still leading. Team Fire was leading before. What happened? Team Sunshine, Team Ocean, Team Fire. Team Fire, you went down. You were leading before. You need to take back your position. Ah, okay. Hmm. Wow, Team Sunshine still maintain their lead. Wow, Team Ocean is coming up. Team Sunshine, you better watch it. They're behind you. Let's see the scoreboard. Oh my God. Team Ocean took over. Wow, Team Sunshine, you gotta go back up there. Hmm. Well, almost everybody got this one. Hmm. They are my siblings. Wow, your answers are everywhere. They are my siblings. They, if you don't know your pronouns, then you won't be able to answer it. They are my siblings. You guys are everywhere. Only 9 people got it. Wow. Team Sunshine, it went down, down, down below. No. You need to get back up there. Oh my goodness. Come on. I know there's a typo on that last question. I will correct it later, but still it won't stop you from getting the answer right. So I will edit that number 23 later. Team Ocean is still leading. Team Sunshine and Team Fire, you guys are racing for second position. Wow, answers everywhere. Some people are doing guesswork here, but most people got it. Hmm. The last question. All right, let's see. Team Sunshine, you are third position. Team Fire, second. Hooray! The first position. That's Team Ocean. Oh la la! Wow, that's good. That is good. You guys did very well. I'm proud of you. Okay, so let's view summary here. Okay, everybody. Look at it here. Are you all here? Only 34 people. 34% got it correct. See that? Igbo pronouns, only 21% got it right. So we need to do better than this. If we review everything, let me see. But y'all did very well, though. I'm proud of you. You guys did very well. Let me go to home here. Let's see the full report. View full report. All right. Well played, 56% correct. Okay, so I'm expecting everybody to go over this and see what you're doing wrong. Zikora need at least 23% help. Obi and Chima 3%. A lot of you, I have everything here. You need to go and review some of the things that you didn't do well, okay, today. Okay, so trying to go back up there. See all. Now, the Igbo pronouns, okay, the question, 22% got it right. I don't see why everybody should not get it right. Are you all here? 35% got it right. Okay, so. Now, when you look at this here, you see the answer here. Nnochiaha is called Igbo pronoun. That's what it's called. Okay, but we'll go over next time. But you're supposed to know the Nnochiaha, something that replaces something. We said this in the class. You should know it. Are you all here? Unu niile ono eba. Unu niile ono eba. I didn't know that some people are not really paying attention in the class. So you should pay attention in the class when I'm going over, when I'm lecturing. That's why I say, do not do any other thing. Just make sure you're paying attention. Okay, please make sure you're paying attention in the class. Because if you don't pay attention, it's like the chance of you missing it is there. You have to pay attention and get what you don't know. Let's see if we can do numbers. All right, so we do numbers and then we can go over everything next week. All right, let's see what we have here. Maybe we can do phrases. And maybe we can do, let's do team again. Can do it in team again. Team mode. Did you see? Oh, wait. Did you all see the? Okay. Here is the pin is coming up. Okay. Go ahead and put your pin. Let me see if I can create more sunset. So I have more teams here. We have 4 teams. We have 4 teams now. So get in the team. Thirty more seconds, we start. You do fast, get in your team. Get in your team fast, we have 4 teams. Some people are afraid to join the Quizlet, I don't know why. Everybody should be able to get in the team here. We have 4 teams here now. I see somebody getting in. Do fast and get in a team, please. We need to start soon. I give you 20 more seconds to get in a team. Get in a team, please. Okay, we need to start. People are wasting time. Team Fire is leading. Whoa, Team Auction took over. Some of you are not even answering anything. Why? Kahoot is fun. Some people don't want to have fun. It's fun. You're taking the quiz and you're having fun too. Team Ocean is still leading. Wow.
It's record. We got this team motion.
Onye na-ede ihe a kwụsị ya. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's see the podium. Wow. Team Ocean, number 1. Team Sunset, 2. Team Sunshine, 3. Awesome. Okay, everyone. I'm going to unmute everybody because I want you to, if you know you're one of these teams, go ahead and clap for yourself, please. Clap for yourself. You guys did very well. So I'm very, very proud of everybody.
Thank you.
Okay, you guys did very well. And if you know you didn't do very well in this class, please make sure you review it again, okay? Next week we're going to do some stuff, and then we do another Quizlet. And we do Kahoot in next 2 weeks. But review everything.
Okay.
They won't know. All right. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right.